Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Ever Best Arabic Advisor. We are learning similar sounding Arabic letters these days. We learned some letters which are different but have the same sound, just like ta and ta, ha and ha. But all along with, we also discussing some letters which are the same but their position is changed, just like as a consonant, as a vowel. In Arabic, three letters are also consonant and also vowel depending on their depending on the position and the sign they have. These are alif, waw, and ya. These letters are also vowels and these letters are also consonant depending upon they have kasra, dumma, or fatha, which is a sign in Arabic. So here we are learning waw as a consonant and as a vowel. As a consonant, a vowel is strictly followed in the Holy Quran, but as a vowel, we read it in a Arabic as a colloquial Arabic, while just like in our everyday pronunciations. Just like in any language, when any in the everyday language is usually different from their literature, just like that. So the meaning may be the same of all the words, but pronunciation is the same. These pronunciations of words is strictly followed in Holy Quran, but in colloquial, in this vowel is used in colloquial, which actual word is this, but in their daily life they pronounce as a reflex, you can say. It's colloquial pronunciations. Let's move toward the word. The first word is daur, and in colloquial they say dur. The meaning of the word is rule or stage. Word of both is same. Meaning of the both word is the same. Yaum, yum. It's for day. In everyday life they say yum, yum. It's not yum. It's actually the word is yum. Fauk, fuk. Above. South, sooth. Sound. Zauj, zuj. Husband or the spouse. Okay. The thing to learn in this video is you have to learn the pronunciation. Daur. When waw silent, which has skun sign, is followed by fatha, it's called daur. It may call lean. This sound is called lean. When waw sakin has fatha before it, it's called lean. But when waw, like this, when waw have dumma before it, it is called vowel. Waw madda. Waw madda. It is called waw madda in Arabic. Waw madda. So for waw madda, dumma is a must before. Actually, dumma and waw both have same shape. This is called skun sign. Waw must have skun sign and it should be followed by dumma. And for lean, waw skun must follow by fatha. If it is followed by waw skun is followed by kasra, it is no more consonant. Lean. It is simple consonant. It is but no more lean. If waw skun is not followed by fatha of dumma, if waw skun is not followed by fatha, instead it is followed by fatha, it is followed by dumma, it is no more waw madda vowel sound. It can be an other thing but not waw madda. The next word is yaum for the day, but colloquially they say yum, 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 yum. Fauk, fuk. South, sooth. Zauj, zuj. For consonants, waw can carry fatha, kasra and dumma, but for vowel, waw can carry only the skun sign. Let me help you. Waw for vowel must have skun sign and followed by dumma. But for consonant, There's two types. One lean, in which vowel sukoon is followed by fatha, just like in yaum, ya, and meen, yaum. And waw may have fatha, mouth may have kasra, waw may have dumma. For example, waw fatha is one letter word in Arabic which means ant. Ant. You see? And wa, vi, vu can be the sound of waw as a consonant. And dau, au. You see da and u. Dau is the sound of lean as a consonant. But as a vowel, it has a u sound only. Dur, fook. We just read it zooj. So the u, zooj. The u, dur. So it's a u sound. U. It's have o sound. Yau. Yau. First ya and then u. And va, vi, vu. This is enough for today. I hope you learned something. If you are confused about any concept, do comment me. I will try to make a video for you to remove your confusions. Just to learn Arabic perfectly, you should practice. For practice, I give you a tip, and the tip is find the examples of waw madda, waw lean, and waw simple as a consonant with fatha kadadumma, and send me in the comment box. Inshallah, I will check your efforts and I will reply you, so you will learn it freely. And you will find all the information on my website in the written statements. You can look over there. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and visit my site. Inshallah, I will be there with a new video of the similar sounding Arabic letters, so you learn all the confusion in the Arabic letters clearly, which will help you to learn Arabic thoroughly. Assalamu alaikum.